welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, I had some spa jets that weren't running one side of them. This one has one motor that controls one side of the jets and another motor that controls the other side of the jets for the spa. And this particular one wasn't working. Now, I was able to prime the pump and get it running, and then it would work just fine. But if you came back an hour later or so, then it wouldn't start. So I knew there was a leak somewhere. So what I did is had my friend, and I kind of showed this in another video for how to locate leaks on the spa or swimming pool pump. So I had my friend turn it on and then turn it off real quick, and then or turn it. It was already on, had him turn it off and then turn it back on real quick. Now this change in pressure can make leaks show up, but this one was actually pretty obvious, but it wasn't so obvious when you were standing above it. It's tight quarters there with the heater and then the gas line. Everything is very tight, so I wasn't able to see it real well. And when I positioned my camera down there, then we could see it, what it was a leaking shaft seal. So once this one started, then it would fill with water, but then as it sat, the water would leak out, and then the next time that it would try to start, it would have too much air in there to pull enough water through for the initial start, for the initial prime. So this one's a leaking shaft seal. Now this one is able to repair. Most likely to replace the shaft seal, which I showed that in another video. Now it's kind of a good thing that it was on the jets, because the jets only stay on for like 5 minutes or 15 minutes depending on what type of timer you have. Mine's an air switch, so it only stays on for 5 minutes, but some places use a dial timer that can be set for like 15 minutes or 5 minutes, just depends on your setup. But anyway, in that condition, the pump is not constantly running, because if it was running without pulling enough water through, then it's possible that it could warp the seal plate, and then you would need to replace the seal plate, the shaft seal, as well as the gaskets to get everything working again. This one most likely will be able to get away with replacing the shaft seal and in the pump gaskets, so no big deal. Get it back and running again, and then it'll prime on its own once those things are replaced. Anyway, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. Thought I'd share this one with you. Spa jet pump's not self-priming. It works, but only when you add water to the basket. It's not able to self-prime, and it's just going to be a matter of replacing that shaft seal. But you can check out my other video where I show how to replace the shaft seal. Thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out.